Welcome back to the 91 dump truck restoration. Today what we're going to be doing is replacing the windshield, but there's some issues that we need to fix first. Okay, so what we need to fix first with the windshield, number one, while we're replacing it, is it's cracked, so it's not going to pass state inspection. Also, the second major thing is it leaks like a sieve. So we need to fix that, and there's also some issues up top, which I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now. Okay, so what we got going on up top here is there was all sorts of silicone and duct tape and all sorts of dumb stuff up on this top lip here where the water leaked through. It didn't help at all. So we need to fix that. We need to grind all that off. We also have a little bit of issue with some rust. So we are wire wheeling this because I want to get all the rust taken care of before we put in our brand new windshield. So we're doing that now before the glass guys come. So we're just going to continue to work our way over here to the edge and getting that all cleaned up down to bare metal. So when the glass guys came, what they did first is they cut the windshield out using this oscillating tool. They use this tool on the top and also on the sides. For the bottom part, what they use is a Sawzall with a special paddle bit that kind of looked like a spatula to get in between the glass and the dash. And then basically all they did was just lift this windshield right off. Now, if you look closely here on the left-hand side, you're going to be able to see that crack. That's what didn't allow us to pass inspection. So that's why we ended up needing to replace it. Now, once all this stuff is off, they need to get all this sealant off. So there's a lot of scraping and a lot of cleanup, especially up top here. You can see all how rusty it is. What we ended up doing is they scraped most of it off, and then they just got a wire wheel and went over it with that. And there was only one small pinhole at the top that they ended up having to seal. Now here is a special primer that he's putting on. What this is it allows their sealant to adhere to bare metal or the paint and just gives it a good tight bond, not allowing anything to leak. And they had this electric gun that put out a bead and a nice uniform pattern. It wasn't all goopy, so that was really neat. And then they just placed this thing on by hand. These guys are great eyeballing this thing up. They just about got it dead on within a millimeter. So props to these guys. They did an excellent job putting this glass on and really did really good prep work as well. Alright, so it's about 4 days after they installed this windshield. It's in really good shape. They did a really good job. We've had a couple days of rain here and 0 leaks, so I'm super happy with that. It's not pouring water down in here anymore, so that alleviates a big issue for us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and head over to Appalachian DIY for more videos. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you next time.